Ready? Follow me then. Going a bit sideways there. Right, I think you know what I'm gonna do. Ah! It slipped on the bottom. Now the fun part is getting down. Huh?
I thought you were going to fall and break your headlight again.
Oh yeah, I was kind of thinking something along them lines. I thought it was going to drop, fall all the way down.
Roll back with it.
And snap my bars. I've got it in first, so it should.
Roll back with it, yeah.
If I just tap it back. No fucking sweat, mate. My adventure tyres probably would have done it. Right, easier line then this time. That one, I've done it on that one already. We'll try. Sticky throttle! Ah! No! No! Shit! For fuck's sake! No!
I can't wait to get my GoPro.
Ah!
I can't wait to get my GoPro on my helmet.
How the fuck do I get this off?
I have to lift it out. Your hand.
Yeah, preferably.
I'm falling.
Fuck me. She ain't right, is she? Yeah, I'll hold it a sec when I get on. Ah, oh, fucking hell. And every time I fall over, I get fucking loads of stings on my leg.
You okay riding now?
Yeah.
Can't wait to get my GoPro on my
I know.
Get my point of view.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Come on! Slicks! For fuck's sake! Oh my god, slicks are so hard. I'm gonna have to sort of go at it a bit more angled. It doesn't even spin round, it's fucking stupid. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I thought my other ones were bad, but these are sick on the road. It's what you expect, isn't it?